Alright guys, in this video we're going to be looking at a retractable garden hose reel that will help you keep your garden organized with less clutter and no tripping hazard. Now I already have a 60-foot hose reel that I really like, but it's just too short for my yard. So when I came across this 100-foot hose reel for less money than what I paid for my previous hose reel, I decided to give it a try. So if you've been looking for an affordable, retractable hose reel for your garden, but didn't know which one to get, then stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get informed every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save more money. Alright then, so this is the 100-foot retractable garden hose reel from Xreel, available on Temu, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this reel sells for $82.84, and the warranty on this guy is 1 year. The dimensions on this guy are 17 inches by 17 inches by 7 inches in width, and it weighs about 15 pounds. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the hose reel, you get a nozzle, you get a manual, and you get a mounting sticker, all the hardware, all that kind of good stuff to be able to set it up and get it all put together. Now this is an auto-retracting hose reel that comes in either 70 feet or 100 feet in length, so you can pick the best one for your needs. I picked a 100 foot because I wanted one longer than the one that I already have. This hose reel comes with a tan pattern nozzle included, and the hose is 1/2 inch diameter, which is good for water conservation, and comes with a convenient adjustable stop lock so you can select how much hose sticks out of the reel when it's retracted. The reel case conveniently swings 180 degrees so it moves with you as you water different parts of your yard, and the hose is also made from a UV protected material so the sun won't destroy your hose and it will last you much longer. So let's take a little closer look at this guy, let's get it hooked up and see how it performs. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at this hose reel before we install it and see how it performs. Let me tell you all the little details that I see as far as my impressions, first impressions, basically as I unbox this guy and what I see so far. So far, basically, all the packaging and stuff like that was very well done. There's no damage to it whatsoever. Everything seems to be very well taken care of, very good order. Everything is just fine. There you have, like I said, your 10 position nozzle. I already mentioned that. The instruction manual that tells you everything about it. This is your mounting template. They have instructions and template all in one, as you can see. But the interesting thing about this is that it's actually a sticker. It's actually sticker paper. So you stick it onto the wall, wherever it is that you're going to mount it. You don't have to hold on to it. It'll stick right on there. So very convenient, but very straightforward. I mean, honestly, it's just 4 holes. The template will tell you where to put all the holes and stuff. You drill it and you're done. Very easy peasy. The mounting hardware is actually also quite robust. I mean, these screws are pretty darn good. Lag bolts, very good lag bolts, nice and big and heavy duty. And the wall anchors are also very good as well. They seem to be better than the ones I got with the previous one that I bought. So as far as the mounting hardware, seems to be good quality. You don't even need to supply your own. Sometimes when I buy products, I need to change it and use my own because some of the stuff they bring is pretty wimpy, but this is actually pretty good quality. Now on the hose itself, I put this guy here. This guy is removable. This is what you put on the wall and you move this guy out of here and this guy will separate from it. So if you ever need to store this away for the winter, if you live in a really cold climate and you want to put this guy away during the winter, all you do is pull up this guy right here, separates from here, put it in your garage, your shed, your house, whatever, and you're off and running. And it has a convenient handle right there that you use to pull it up. You saw me do that when I pulled it out of the box. And it stores away, so it's not in your way. It's flush, so it's not in your way when you don't need it. So that's very good right there. Now, as far as the hoses go, very soft, pliable hoses. I can't complain. They're really nice, soft material. Very easy to work with. This hose right here, the one that you hook up to your water supply, is 76 inches long, so a little bit longer than 6 feet. So you can actually put the hose reel 6 feet away from your spigot, which is very convenient. You don't need to put it right there, right next to it, if for some reason you can't do that. This guy over here is the hose that you're going to be using, the hose that comes out of the reel itself. And this is your stop block right there. And it is not tool free. In other words, it doesn't just snap open and snap closed. It has a couple of little Phillips screws that you have to undo, or maybe you probably just undo one, slide it back and forth and tighten it up again. But I mean, that's insignificant as far as I'm concerned. Some of them are fancy where they basically just snap together and, but this one isn't. As far as the connectors, they're brass, and actually I just dropped a little cap. I was going to point out that these guys went the extra mile, honestly, because every connector comes closed off. This guy had a little cap right there. That's something they really didn't need to do, but I guess they didn't want any debris or junk to get into the hose. So both ends are closed off with these little plastic caps. I mean, it doesn't seem like much, but it's a nice little attention to detail that tells you a lot about the quality and attention they put into the product itself. I'm going to hang on to these little caps. You never know when they'll come in handy, but they actually protect the hose from debris or junk or anything getting in there. So, that's very nice as far as I'm concerned. It doesn't seem like much, but think about it. Even if it costs like a nickel a piece for each one of these, that's 10 cents. When you're making hundreds of thousands of these guys, that adds up. And some companies will, get rid of that. They won't spend the money so they can save money. That's actually good that Xreel put the extra money into that. These guys are a brass connector. You see the washer inside there. And good heavy-duty brass connections. They're thick. I mean, they're not thin. You see the wall on there. It's very thick-walled, connector right there. So very nice indeed. And this guy over here comes actually with this guy, which is kind of a thumb screw, let's say. You basically makes it easier for you to attach it onto the wall when you're doing that. It doesn't stay on there. It wants to slip back out. But it makes it easy when you hook it up, you tighten it on, and then you tighten it with your fingers like that. So that makes it easy for you to do without any tools if you don't want to. And it does include some Teflon tape if you happen to need it. Now, one thing also to point out, I got this guy on Temu, which I've never purchased anything on Temu before, but I've had a lot of people over, the past few months or years since Temu came about that have been asking me, why don't I get things on Temu? You should buy something on Temu. Prices are good on Temu. Check out Temu. Tell us what you think about Temu. So I did. Finally, I did. And the experience is pretty much the same as buying on Amazon. You look at what you got, you check it out, you buy it, it gets shipped to you, and, pretty much the same. I have no complaints about it. This guy, I actually paid less for this guy on Temu than the other one that I got on Amazon. So I really can't complain about the pricing or the experience or any of that. It was perfectly fine buying this guy through Temu. And like I said, it didn't come damaged or beat up or anything. It seems to be very nice reel. And I got it at a good price. I mean, under $100 for a 100-footer. That's a pretty decent price. So I got it through Temu. And if you're ever curious about how Temu is, like I said, it's just like Amazon, just a different name, different company, etc. But it seems to be pretty much the same. So don't have any concern about buying through them. It went just fine for me, smooth as can be. So there you go. That's what this guy is right here. Now let's go outside. Let's get this guy hooked up and see how it performs. All right, guys, so here we are outside, and I'm basically removing the hanging apparatus for the old hose reel that I had. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the same one again. That would have been very convenient, but it's a different size. So basically, I have to take off the screws right there, remove it, and we're going to hang up the other one in just a moment. And you're going to see right now where literally I had to get a little bit creative because the holes were almost the same, but not exactly the same. You see how basically I didn't want to have to open up the holes any bigger, or I would have had some gigantic holes, which would have been problematic. So instead of messing around with that, I decided to put the screws in at a slight angle, and I was actually able to make it work just fine. So if you have a similar situation, try angling the screws when you put it in there, and that way you don't have to open the hole up bigger and then have a problem with the screws just swimming around in there and you can't really get it tightened up properly. So by putting them all in at a slight angle and tightening it down with the impact, it worked out just fine. As you're going to see right now, it's really tight on there. I couldn't budge it, and I'm able to hang it up without any problem whatsoever, and it'll do the job just fine. So sometimes you got to be a little bit creative when doing installation of things, because you don't want to create a bigger problem than what you're trying to solve. So there is that apparatus hooked up right there. Now all we have to do is put the hose reel right on there and slip the thing through the middle, that little pin, slip it in through the middle, and it'll be ready to go. That's how easy it is to install this thing. Literally, if I had not had the problem with the screws, it probably would have been even faster. But there you go. That's how easy it is to install it and to remove it. Alright guys, there you have the Xreel Hose Reel fully installed and ready to go. And it's a handsome unit. I like the black and the orange color better than the other one that was blue and gray. But now I should be able to reach the other extreme of my backyard without having to use another hose. With this one hose, I can go all the way there and then just retract it easily when I'm done. When I got the other one, I made a mistake. I thought like 70 feet was enough for me, but I was totally mistaken. So this time I got a 100-footer. So when you want to use it, all you do is, pull it out, walk away, and it goes right with you. As you see, I'm just walking and pulling it out with me, and when I let it go, it stops in place. And with this convenient nozzle that it comes with it, it's like a fireman's hose. All you do is basically pull back on the switch right there, and it's easy on off without any trouble whatsoever. And you have like 10 different settings you can pick from. So you can pick however you want to water your plants or clean different things, your walkway, your furniture, whatever you want to do. It should work out for you just fine. And like you see right there, I can water the grass without any trouble whatsoever, very, very easily. Like I said, nice unit, good construction. I find it very good, and the price was not bad at all. For only 80 bucks and free shipping, that was very, very convenient. And if you want to put this guy away, all you do is give it a light tug. Don't pull too hard, otherwise it'll lock again. You give it a slight little tug, and it starts pulling back in. And again, you don't have to struggle with it. It goes in all by itself. Just follow it back, and it does the job without any trouble at all. So there you have it, a very nice reel. All the information for this guy is in the description down below. Follow the links and check it out. See if it's something that you're interested in. Very nice unit. Fits nice and tight against my wall there. And like I said, you got 6 feet of hose underneath it. So it gives you plenty of convenience as to where you want to hook it up, whether it's close to your spigot or if you want to put it far away. In my case, it's pretty close. So I'm going to have to really tie this up and make it a little neater than this so it's not just dangling on the ground there. And it's bad for, for the hose itself and a tripping hazard. So there you go, guys. A nice reel from Hose Reel. Check out the links below for all the information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.